Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Time Wraiths in Flashpoint Worlds Collide. First, you need to launch the game and navigate to the Flashpoint Worlds Collide area. Once there, identify the specific locations where Time Wraiths are known to spawn. It's crucial to ensure your character is at the appropriate level to effectively challenge these powerful entities. Prepare for an exciting encounter as you begin your hunt for these elusive foes. Before engaging, take time to prepare your character. Equip your most potent gear, focusing on items that boost your damage and survivability. Stock up on healing potions and any defensive buffs that can give you an edge in battle. Time Wraiths are formidable, so forming a small group with 2 or 3 other players can significantly increase your chances of success. Teamwork makes defeating them much easier. When you encounter a Time Wraith, approach with caution and initiate combat. It's often best to focus your attacks on one Time Wraith at a time to manage the fight effectively. If you face multiple enemies, utilize any crowd control abilities your character possesses to stun or slow them down. Persistence and strategic ability usage are key to overcoming these challenging opponents and securing your victory. After defeating a Time Wraith, collect your hard-earned rewards. To maximize your gains, repeat this process, farming Time Wraiths efficiently. Keep an eye out for any in-game special events that might offer increased drop rates or unique bonuses. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is important, especially during long gaming sessions, so grab yours today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.